The Umidigi A13 Pro is Umidigi's latest budget phone. It is a member of the Umidigi A13 series. The A13 series consists of the Umidigi A13s, the A13, and the A13 Pro. In this video, we'll be talking about the specs and features of the Umidigi A13 Pro. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. It helps support the channel and it is absolutely free. So without further ado, let's head into it. So fans are disappointed that the Umidigi A13 Pro also has a water-drop notch display, and of course I cannot blame them. I mean, budget devices from Xiaomi and other brands are being released with hole punch, mostly hole punch guys. For example, the Redmi Note 11 that was recently released by Xiaomi has a hole punch display. It looks stunning and it has really nice specs. The body, on the other hand, is very nice. It looks very nice guys. It also has a flat frame design. The rear is made of glass and the phone comes in 3 different beautiful colors. There's the starry black, galaxy blue, and sun glow gold. The display is very large. It has a 6.7-inch display. The resolution is HD plus and the refresh rate is 60 Hz. On the right side, the phone has a power button and volume keys. The power button is also the fingerprint scanner. And just like many other Umidigi devices, the phone has a shortcut key which I think is customizable. As mentioned earlier, the back is made of AG matte glass. There's also a triple camera setup and a flash. The back is also branded with the words Beyond Dreams. There's also Umidigi branding. The phone ships with the Android 11 OS, which is not bad. It weighs 207 grams. The phone has a triple camera setup as mentioned earlier, a 48 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel perhaps ultra wide camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. The selfie camera is a 16 megapixel selfie camera. I think this is the first Umidigi phone to be powered by a Unisoc SoC, the Unisoc T610. Now if I'm wrong, make sure to correct me in the comment section below. If you know of any other Umidigi phones that is powered by a Unisoc chip, make sure to state in the comment section below. The phone has 2 variants. There's 4GB and 6GB RAM variants. Now both variants has 128GB storage, which could be expanded using an SD card. The phone has a 5150 mAh battery with 10 watts fast charging. It also supports NFC. There's no doubt that the Umidigi A13 Pro looks very nice. The display is the huge flaw in my opinion, is the biggest flaw in my opinion. They should have gone for a much more modern display type like a hole punch, especially a centered hole punch display. It would have been better guys. Anyway, I want you guys to share your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you guys think about the Umidigi A13 Pro? And remember guys, the A13 Pro is only a member of the A13 series. We haven't seen the A13 and the A13s yet. Anyway, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. It is absolutely free and it helps support the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.